Okay, I have a roofing nail in my car. I'm going to fix it today with the slime repair kit. Slime kit comes with an applicator that you put the plug into it, push it into the tire, a reamer to ream the hole, to clean the hole and ream it out. We're going to show you how to do it. You're going to do it with the pressure still in the tire. You take the roofing nail out. First thing we're going to do is ream it. We're going to get the plug out. Put the plug halfway through here. We're going to coat it with rubber cement. We're going to push it in 2/3 of the way in and then pull the applicator back out. And that should be it. Scissors work good just to cut the remaining plug off. Let it sit here for a few minutes and we'll test it with some soapy water. Okay, I got some water here to test it. Not making any bubbles, so it looks good. A week ago I used this product, 2-in-1 tube and tire repair from Sealant. I use it on this tire on the other side. This one you pretty much just take the valve stem out, use the tube, and you just pour the liquid into the tire. After you put the liquid in the tire, you air it up, and then you have to drive it and let the sealant move around in the tire and find the hole. And I did that, and when I went and checked it the next day, the tire was flat again. So I was a little bit disappointed, but then when I aired it up the second time, the air stayed in it. So don't give up on the first try. Now if I had to pick either this kit or this one to use, I would pick this one because it's more positive that the seal on the tire is effective. You immediately put it in there, check it, and you can see that the tire is good.